Welcome back here on a pretty cloudy and cool Tuesday afternoon. We're going to jump right into the meat and potatoes of our forecast to talking about that winter storm and the first alert weather days for Thursday and Friday. But we're going to look right at the hour-by-hour forecast because some of our changes start to take shape and unfold as early as tomorrow. So here's a look at the hour-by-hour forecast for the next several days. This is tomorrow morning. Snow out west through Montana and into northwestern North Dakota. Then by tomorrow evening, starting to see a little bit of that snow moving into northeastern North Dakota, perhaps a few flakes in the far northern valley. But I think this particular forecast model is a little too early. I think we won't see more of this in the far northern valley until a little bit later. But regardless, heading now into Thursday morning, a few rain showers, pretty light, pretty hit and miss in the southern valley. Still seeing some snow in northeastern North Dakota and out west. And the pink that you see, that's the transition line, the rain snow line. So that wintry mix. This is now by drive time we're getting ready to head home from work, get our evening started on Thursday. Still seeing rain in the southern valley and lakes country, up to the north and out to the west, seeing some snow, and there is that transition line. That transition line into Thursday night is slowly going to work its way to the east. So Thursday night, still some rain, possibly some wintry mix in the southern valley. Most of lakes country still seeing rain, but more areas seeing a little bit of snow overnight Thursday and into Friday morning, and then it's out of here and we clear out by Friday night. Here's a look at the snowfall potential by Wednesday night. We're going to see most of that accumulation out in northwestern North Dakota, a little bit in northeastern North Dakota, a bit more by Thursday night, a bit more by Friday night. Where you see the purple areas, this is where 6 to 8 inches is most likely. However, I'm going to go off of this forecast model a little bit. I don't think we're going to have quite so much accumulation in the far northern valley. I think more of it is going to be in the Devil's Lake Basin. We're still watching it closely. A pretty sharp cutoff line between several inches and maybe an inch or so. Here in Fargo, we're going to see mostly rain. We may have a couple of flakes mixing in. I think we're going to see less than an inch of snow, an inch on the maximum end, the way it's looking right now. But of course, we will continue to watch it very carefully. This storm is going to bring some impacts to parts of the valley, heavy snow in parts of northeastern North Dakota, leading to some slick travel conditions for the first time of the season, some snowy roads and some icy roads as well. Another thing that we're watching for is this storm is going to bring some wind too. So we could see some areas of blowing snow and therefore reductions in visibility. Then we turn cold. Here's a look at our air mass, that cold Canadian air sinking in, and it's going to hang around for a little while. So enjoy what we have now, 47 degrees. Not that it's balmy by any means. Right now, the wind is out of the north at 14, 46 in Moorhead, 45 Grand Forks, wind out of the north-northeast at 10 miles per hour. Temperatures generally across the board are in the 40s, a few low 50s to the south and east as expected. Mostly cloudy skies, perhaps a sprinkle here or there, but we're generally pretty quiet tonight. And we're going to stay pretty quiet tonight, staying mostly cloudy, temperatures in the 40s. Overnight, we're watching for a few hit and miss showers to move through, but by tomorrow morning, we'll see a couple areas of sun. And then by Wednesday night, there comes our storm system that we've already discussed. Looking ahead to your planning forecast, we've already talked about the incoming system. Now let's talk about those temperatures through next week. Justin, we're going to be pretty well below average for at least the extended forecast for sure.
Cooling off soon and no real warm up any time in the future there.
No, I'm sorry.
Thanks.